Hara of Jasmy gives his thoughts of TGC 2023. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything, and share with your friends and family. We're gonna dive in like we always do. So Hara says right here, I think the environment in which you communicate with Vtubers is a form of Metaverse in a sense. A place where many people can gather in the same space from various devices and enjoy live performances and talks. Very interesting. There's a very strong community here, and a unique economic zone has been built with many fans from Japan and abroad. TGC 2023 was quite popular, but as a growing market with only 2 listed companies, I think the VTuber market will continue to expand. We plan to actively invest in this area and expand our use cases. So, the guys, I'm telling you, Jasmy is doing everything they can possible to like spread, you know, the development of this project, man, and it's awesome to see. I remember, you know, before I did crypto content, I made gaming, anime, entertainment type of content, right? And VTubers was is a massive success. VTubers are, it's like that people have, you know, a Metaverse character pretty much, right? They have a digital character, 3D character, and they play games or they do fun stuff with the character, and that's pretty much what you see, the character, right? And Jasmy diving into that market could be massive. Like, honestly, it could be very huge, because that is a very untapped market as far as blockchain goes, right? I don't see any VTubers that are, you know, talking about blockchain and crypto, you know, Web3, GameFi, Metaverse, none of that stuff yet. But maybe with Hara and the Jasmy team, that market could be tapped into for the first time through Jasmy, which is very interesting to see, right? And we have here from OX Tama, let me translate this for you guys. As far as VTubers go, I'm telling you guys, VTubers are a massive hit. Like, people love VTubers, man. The rapid progress of top VTubers is unstoppable. VTuber shows various collaborations in daily life if it's still fresh in my memory. TGS 2023, participants were VTubers, and the total number of viewers on the channel was broadcasting to 100,000 people. It exceeded 100,000 people, right? And now Hara, seeing the success of that, thinking what pretty much a VTuber and that, you know, global aspect is pretty much you know, like a Metaverse, right? And what is Jasmy developing? They're developing a Metaverse, AI projects, AI technology as well. And, you know, this could be another aspect where the Jasmy team dives into, which could be a game changer, right? Collaborative products are increasingly being seen in various places in daily life, and when people are considering using VTubers in their day-to-day jobs, they find themselves at a loss when the price offered is surprising. The company is also making a ton of money. The companies currently listed on the VTuber businesses are Cover, Any Color, 2 Color companies. I thought it could be an investment target, so I decided to look into it. So there's people that are looking into the growth and success of VTubers. As you guys can see, it is absolutely massive. So do you think the Jasmy team more than likely may start their own VTuber company? What I realized in Japan, what they do is hire people through a company called HoloLive, right? 75 registered VTubers as the end of June. They hire people to work as VTubers and make content on these social media platforms like YouTube, Twitch, streaming platforms, etc. And then the company HoloLive gets a percentage, pretty much like you know, movie deals or record label deals. And who knows, maybe now that the Jasmy, with what Hara stated, there could be another you know, development there where Hara starts to, you know, Hara and the Jasmy team dives into making VTubers a part of the Jasmy ecosystem to help push blockchain data democracy as well, right? Which would be very interesting. In the 2024 earnings forecast, they earned up to plus 30% net profit, 26 million yen, 3.2 million yen. And the growth seems to be due to an announcement of Picora USADA's first solo live. Very interesting stuff, man. Like, look, there's so many ways to become to earn revenue in the day and age we have with technology, right? And I'm telling you guys, just like with Jasmy with its with the personal data lockers, even just searching online with the PDLs, you'll be earning. You should have, as long as the Jasmy team delivers, you'll be earning for protecting your data, which is just amazing, right? Currently, sales of 300 million yen per person, man, with the VTuber and the development there through the HoloLive company. Maybe Jasmy could even partner with HoloLive to get some of the VTubers into the blockchain, the Metaverse, right? It's scheduled to be released. They have an upcoming event, it looks like. If it ends being an open world like a concept movie, there's a possibility of Japan's Metaverse will become Hollow Earth. Wow, I look forward to the follow-up report. And again, another thing that could happen is with this Hollow Earth, because HoloLive is where all the VTubers engage, right? They perform, they have concerts, pretty much just like a Metaverse, which, like Hara stated. So with Hollow Earth, there's gonna be, you know, buildings there, and the Jasmy team could market in the Hollow Earth in Japan's Metaverse. So could Hollow Earth be Japan's Metaverse that we're moving towards? Wow, that is very interesting, man. You see Hara doing his research and thinking of ways to develop and push Jasmy even further. I'm telling you guys, just do a quick search. Let me show you right here real quick, man. Guys, take a look. You type in HoloLive on YouTube and look at the amount of views you're seeing here. 43 million views, 24 million, 22 million, 19 million, 15 million. The VTuber community is massive, and as we are transitioning from Web 2 to Web 3, it will be, you know, a huge change, and this could be like the OX Tama has stated, Japan's Metaverse. HoloLive switches to Hollow Earth, and the Jasmy team Hara is already thinking like, yo, this is a place we could definitely dive into, right? Interesting, man. From NeoXtrix, a report from Aplix which dates from August 2021, so the little voice that whispers things to me was not far from reality when he said that Jasmy tested devices and sensors in such a city, right? You won't escape me. So remember when I talked about sensors for Society 5.0 and the Jasmy team should look into the sensors? NeoXtrix, with his great research, already finding Jasmy Limited already ahead of me, man. I am telling you guys. Measurement and control of devices. We have developed demonstration systems for contactless thermometers, alcohol dispensers, weight sensors, oh my gosh, temperature and humidity sensors, etc. in the field. Intelligence related technologies such as machine learning, deep learning, and blockchain. We have already started to consider collaboration with Jasmy Co Limited, which is involved in blockchain, etc. since March 2021, and are already making concrete efforts. We aim to complete the measurements by the first quarter of 2022. So this was a report from the Aplix company, and they're already developing the sensors for Society 5.0, right? And they already thought about collaborating with the Jasmy team. So that was you know, that was around what, last year or so. So I'm sure that partnership is already has already been in the works, and it's when the sensors start to fully flesh out, that's when you're gonna see it take full fruition, right? Echigoya, max supply of Jasmy 50 billion, circulating supply 48.9 billion, supply rate 97.8 97.8% of the supply for Jasmy is out. That is what I say. Jasmy is pretty much at the bottom, because typically when it comes to projects, guys, if there's a tiny circulating supply of 5 to 10%, that's when you see the team, there's vesting schedules, and you know, the team takes the vesting schedules to do whatever they have to do as far as development, marketing, etc., right? Look at projects that have majority of their supply out, and that's the best time to buy it. Even if you're just looking for a 10 to 20x on Jasmy, which is realistic, right? Going into the bull market. Even if you're just looking for a 10 to 20x, now is the time the dollar cost average in, because the majority of the supply is out.